have to cover Pudgy Penguins because, as you can see, Pudgy Penguins is actually down 12% in the last 24 hours here. Down 23% in the last 2 weeks, 45% in the last 30 days. Everything has been dumping recently. And let's just call a spade a spade. I predicted it. I'm just gonna say it. I just gotta pat myself on the back. I've been telling people, hey, we're breaking down. Bullish patterns are becoming bearish. Bearish patterns are staying bearish. We are breaking down. So let's talk about it. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Let's get straight into it. So like I said before, bullish patterns are becoming bearish. This is a falling wedge. We should usually break out to the upside on a falling wedge. But when we're in bear markets, it's more likely that we go downwards. So that's exactly what happened. We continued to break downwards. As you can see here, falling wedges are supposed to be bullish. Rising wedges are bearish. The rising wedge did break out to the downside like expected because we're in a bear market, and rising wedges actually have a 81% rate in bull markets and about a 60% case in the bear markets. So it's just numbers and statistics pretty much, but still we broke down, and I've been talking about this for the longest, and I'm gonna keep saying it. I believe that Pudgy Penguins is about to go down to 0.008. I think a good attractive price would be below 0.00, somewhere anywhere from 0.008 to 0.005. We are completely oversold here on the %R trading session, so I would not be surprised if we had a recovery, just a random recovery. I would not be surprised, guys. We also have the Fed speaking today. 8 a.m. California time. I don't know what time it is for everyone else, but 8 a.m. California time today. that's what we're going to end up seeing. We're going to see the Fed speaking. There's a possibility that this does not continue downwards. We are very much oversold. There's a possibility that we can bounce back. Supposedly, the Fed is going to continue to add more money into the circulating supply. They're going to keep printing out money. So supposedly this is going to start flowing into assets. We're going to start seeing the melt up, as they call it, to where we don't melt down. We're melting up because inflation is increasing. Eventually it's going to be like how it is out here inside of Thailand, where 1,000 baht is $30. Well, eventually $1,000 is going to spend like $100 today, right? You're going to be paying $3,000. You're going to be paying like $10,000 for rent eventually inside the United States for a 1-bedroom apartment. I guarantee this is where things are going to end up going. It is what it is. I paid 10,000 baht a month here for this loft inside of Thailand, but which is only $300 a month. But inside of America, it's going to get to the point where it's going to be like $10,000 a month for a place, and people aren't going to be making more money, right? But that's going to take, it's going to progress. It doesn't happen overnight. It could happen 10, 20, 30 years. Look at what $100 was spending at 30 years ago. If you look at that, there's no telling what $100 is going to be spending in another 30 years. It's probably going to spend like 1,000, or spend like $10 or something like that. I don't know. But we're going to see. That's just economics, and they just keep printing money. So assets should in turn start going up. And the Fed is having that speech today. So this could cause stuff to go up, right? We could be nearing a bottom pretty soon. Would it be a complete bottom? I don't know. But we could be having a relief rally, right? A relief rally until we know it's going to continue upwards, right? We have to get that confirmation first. I don't do anything in the trading world without confirmation first. But anyways, we're completely oversold on the downside, and it could stay oversold for a while. But these prices are good prices. Even right now, even if it doesn't hit 0.008, these are still good prices. Will I be buying personally? No, because it is my job to watch these charts, and I'm going to wait till it gets close enough to a point where I don't feel comfortable waiting anymore, right? And that'll probably be anywhere from 0.008 down to 0.005. That's what I'm looking for. But anyways, Pudgy Penguins continues to get free promo from Trust Wallet here, with Trust Wallet promoting them for free, and then Crypto.com promoting them for free. This is why Pudgy Penguins is on my list. And for the people that are wondering what's on my list, we don't even have to make a whole video on it. I'll just break it down right now. So we got a few things on my list. Pudgy Penguins, 1. right? This isn't in any particular order, and you guys already know it because these are the main projects I'm talking about right now. Pudgy Penguins one, and then we have Avantis. I think Avantis is going to do one of the best on base because it's a perps trading platform on base, similar to Aster. It's going to catch up. Trust me, it probably will. Only has 86 million in volume. Pudgy Penguins, Avantis, Aster. Can't forget Aster, right? Obvious. That's the perps trading platform of Binance. It is literally the backbone of Binance. Aerodrome Finance, which is the backbone of Base, in my personal opinion, of the Base chain, Aerodrome Finance. So that's 4 projects right there. And then what's my 5th project? I can't believe I'm forgetting it right now. My 5th project kind of varies, I guess. I'm not gonna say Zcash because Zcash is like a it. People are hyping it up a lot. People were hyping it up, and I was talking about it too. And it's nice. It's a privacy coin, and I do think it has potential. But usually, when the overall crowd flocks towards something, I tend to start flocking away from it, right? And then when everyone else starts leaving too, then I come back and then I make it cool, right? And that's that's kind of how it is, you know. But yeah, that's all I can think of right now for the 4 projects. I'm sure there's other ones, but I just can't think of them right now. But this is just just kind of on the fly. The projects that I am liking the most right now. So that's pretty much what I'm looking at right now. But yeah, this is all I got for you guys today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Hit the like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. And as always, I'll be back with another video.